Right now in Cudahy, the demand for the monkeypox vaccine is high.
So we received about 200 vaccines from the state of Wisconsin. That will allow us to vaccinate a total of 100 people in this first round here. So we have filled up our appointments very quickly, and we are expecting additional vaccines in the future.
The virus is spreading with 22 cases in the state, 2 in Milwaukee. Cudahy Health Department officials say they will only vaccinate people meeting certain criteria.
So those criteria are people who know that a sexual partner in the last 14 days was diagnosed with monkeypox, people who attended an event or a venue where there was a known monkeypox exposure, and gay, bisexual, trans, and other men who have sex with men who had multiple sexual partners within the last 14 days.
Well, it's spreading. It's in the gay community at the moment, and as a gay man, that means I am to some extent at risk.
Andrew Larson said he felt obligated to get the shot.
It's just part of being a responsible member of a community. When you know there's a disease going around, you get vaccinated to try to stop it. One, I don't want to contract it myself, and two, I wouldn't want it to pass it to anybody else. Vaccination is a strategy that works if everybody does it.
Larson is among the fortunate few who were able to get in on the first round of vaccines, while others will now have to wait. Reporting in Cudahy, Cyria Sandlin, WISN 12 News.
All of the Cudahy Health Department vaccine appointments have been filled, but they encourage those interested to call the health department and follow their updates on Facebook to find out when the next shipment will arrive. Now, meantime, the Milwaukee Health Department announced it received 200 doses of the monkeypox vaccine as well. The Milwaukee Health Department did not offer appointments to the public, instead teaming up with several community organizations and clinics to get the vaccines to high-risk individuals. Some of those organizations include federally funded healthcare centers such as Best-D Clinic, Holton Street Clinic, and Vivant Health. We're told they hope to receive a bigger shipment in the near future, in which case they'll open up appointments to those eligible.